Hello everyone, welcome back to Key to Knowledge. Today's video is on preparing interactive slides in Google Slides by interlinking the slides. I have already done a video on creating drag and drop slides. If you have not watched it yet, the link is given in the description box. So before moving on to the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. So here I will show you a slide which I have already prepared and I will explain how to do such kind of slides. So this is the slide which I have already made, and here it is for labeling the parts of a body. So let us see how it looks like when we are presenting. When I click on head, it will appear as head. If I'm clicking on leg, it comes, see, again head. If I'm clicking here, so this is how it is made. So I will show you from the scratch how I made all these slides. Okay, so let us move on to a new slide. So delete the text boxes. We don't need text boxes, we need a blank slide. I'm not changing the background color or I'm not giving any themes here. So now I want to insert the image of a body. For that I'm going to insert from their image. I have already uploaded an image, so I am taking it from my computer. Body parts. So this is the image. I'm just resizing it. Okay, now here I will show you how to label the parts. Here I am going to label 4 parts. For time being I am going to label 4 parts. So I am selecting the parts which I want to label. For that, just click on this select line. From there select polyline. Then my first part is head, so I am just giving an outline for this head part. That is wherever I click on this, it should show as it is the head. So now you see our head is our face of this image is behind this, so we just want to remove this. For that, go to fill color, make it transparent. Again the outline is there, so go to border color, again make it transparent. So it is gone. Now the second part which I'm going to do is hand. So repeat the steps. Go to select line, select polyline, then make it repeat the steps. Go to fill color, make it transparent, borderline, transparent. It is done. Next one which I'm going to do is stomach. So again process are same, do it, fill color, transparent, border color, transparent. And the next part which I'm going to do is the legs. So Now the parts which we want to label, we have selected it and it is done. Now what I'm going to do is, since I am labeling 4 parts here, I need 4 more slides. So I'm just duplicating this first slide by pressing Ctrl D. So altogether I have 5 slides here. Now my second slide is for head. So I just want to label head. What I'm going to do is here again go to select line, select arrow, then make an arrow, then go to text box, create a text box there, right there, head. You can resize it, you can change the color of it, whatever you can do, no problem, it is up to you. Now I'm moving on to my third slide. My third slide is for hand. Again the same process, select arrow, then go to text box, create text box. This is hand. So it's done. Next slide is for stomach. The last slide is for leg. Same thing, select arrow, then draw one text box right there, leg. Okay, now let us see how it will be when we present. So our first slide, when I'm clicking here, it's head because our second slide was head. But if I'm clicking here, it is not leg, it is hand because our second slide was for hand. So, or if we click again head, it won't move to head, it will move to only leg. That is our last slide was for leg. So there is some more to do here. Now what you want to do is move on to your first slide again, then select the part, then go to insert. There you can see link. Now link this. This is head, and head we have labeled in our second slide. So select slides in this presentation and give slide 2. Apply. Okay. Now select the next part and again go to insert. From there give link slides in this presentation, and the slide for hand is slide 3. Apply. Then move on to stomach, go to insert. Same thing we have to do. Select slides in this presentation. It is slide 4. Apply. And the last one is leg, and it is slide 5. So go to links, select slides in this presentation and move on to slide 5. Okay. Again in the first slide, select all the parts you have made, copy it, paste it in all other slides. Only then it will work, as we have seen in my first slide what I have shown you. Now let us go to the present, see what's happening here. Let's see whether it is working when we are clicking our here. Yes, it goes to hand, leg, stomach, head. So this is how to interlink slides. Now if you want to make it more interactive, you can add a video here. That is, if you are doing it before, then we can before duplicating the slides it would be better. So if we duplicate, that video will be there everywhere in all these slides. So it is, again, just go to insert, go to video, then you can search in YouTube. We need a nursery rhyme. On body parts. Just search it. My body song more nursery. Okay, let us select this. So click it, then click select. It will appear here. If you want, you can resize it or make it small or big, whatever. So while pressing, when you click on here, then a rhyme will play. So this is how to make slides interactive. If you find this video useful, please give a thumbs up and share it among your teacher friends. Thank you for watching.